G'day guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to get Game Guardian on iOS and Android. This is completely free. It's a simple little app injection. I'm going to show you how to get Game Guardian. Now what Game Guardian does is actually you can modify apps and games on your iPhone and Android completely for free. But there are some there's a little trick we got to check on our Apple device before we're able to do this. So guys, I want you to go on your phone right now. And in order to get Game Guardian for free, you want to go to Settings, General, and you want to scroll down till you find Background App Refresh. So click on that. Now it's going to say you want to make sure Background App Refresh is on. If this isn't on, for some reason the game just won't download. I found like if people don't have this Background App Refresh on, it's not going to work. So make sure that's on for this. So this is only for Apple. If you're on Android, you can skip that step. But as you can see, General, Background App Refresh, make sure that is turned on. Once we have that on, then we can then go on to, I'm then going to show you how to get this. So guys, go on Safari or Google Chrome and go to this site. This is where you can get and install Game Guardian on your device. You want to scroll down and you're going to see Game Guardian. It's going to say modify apps and games, no jailbreak or root required. Just simply click on that. So I'm going to tap on it right now. And it's going to load the Game Guardian injector. So you can see Game Guardian right there. App injection required. Follow the steps. So we're just going to simply press inject. It's then going to connect to our phone. As you can see, it's just loading the bar right now. So just wait for this to finish, and then we should be good to go. So I'm just going to wait for the app injection to finish. Injecting modified application, and then it's going to redirect. It should redirect us to this little app injector thing where we need to complete this to get the Game Guardian injection installed on our device. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps to start the injection process. So guys, all we gotta do is simply download and run at least 2 of these free apps on this page. Once that's complete, we will have Game Guardian installed and we can then modify games and applications on our device. As you can see, just download that first one, so it's so easy. Awesome. Then we're gonna go back and go to this paint by numbers colors. Now you guys might have different apps to me. That is completely fine. Don't worry about that. As long as you have 2 there, or 1 to 2, at least 2 or 3 working, you should be good. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to skip obviously those app downloads. You guys don't want to wait, obviously. But once you have both applications downloaded from that app injector, simply open them and run them. This will start to install the Game Guardian on your device, and then we should be good to go. So I'm going to download and run. So I'm going to run this last one right here. Once the second one is ran, we will be able to simply have Game Guardian enabled on our device. So guys, that's how easy it is. Once you've ran 2, you can delete them after that, but you should have Game Guardian installed on your iOS and Android completely for free. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.